Cousins, we're talking summer work wear. Yes, you should look good and make a statement even when going into the office. Hey cousins, welcome back to the channel. So y'all, in today's video, we are talking summer workwear, breathable, cute, vibrant clothes that you can wear into the office, honey. You do not have to wear them boring colors, them blues and them blacks and them browns. You can jazz your wardrobe up just a tad bit, okay? Now, to all of my cousins who are new here on this channel, my name is Shauna T, and baby, we talk about all things plus size fashion, Jesus, lifestyle, and everything in between. So do me a couple, 2-3 things, boo-boo. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and make sure that you comment in the comment section down below because, honey, I will talk back. Now, cousins, all the looks that I'm going to tell you about in today's video, you can either scan the QR code right here on the screen if you're watching from your TV, honey, and shop as I'm going through the video, or you can click any of the links down below and I'll have them for you to shop as well. Now, our first look that we're going to get off into is we're going to talk about dresses that you can wear in the office that's cool and also breathable. And so this particular green dress right here, y'all, I absolutely love it. Now, I did get this dress in a size 24, but what I love most about this dress, y'all, is the color. Because it's green, it's vibrant, it's saying, hello, I have made it to work today. And also because of the ruching detail that's in this dress as well. And if you guys know nothing else about ruching helps hide the imperfections, honey, which is our midsection, okay? It helps hide the midsection and it also just gives extra detail to the dress, which I absolutely love as well. Now, this does have an attached tie that goes to it, but you can tie this if you want to tie it in a knot or however you feel most comfortable going in and tying this. But this dress, I feel like it is the perfect length. It is not too tight. It is very loose fitting and also very appropriate for you to wear in the office as well. Now, of course, I just went in and paired this with my Aldo bag, y'all, and also my shoes that I picked up from Macy's as well. So just the FYI to all of my cousins who don't know, I am a Bigfoot baddie and I also wear a size 12 in my shoes, sometimes a size 13, just depending, child, on who it's made by, okay? So I want to let y'all know that y'all was in a safe space on this side of the internet. But these shoes came from Macy's, and I felt like these were the perfect ones to wear with this particular dress because it is giving summer vibes, yes, but still very much so professional. So to all of my cousins who can wear open toe shoes to work, I think this will definitely work with this dress. Now, honey, when it comes to the earrings are actually from a black-owned brand who I feature here on this channel a ton of times, and I feel like the earrings go perfect with this look. So cousins, y'all definitely have to let me know, is this something that you would rock to work, or you maybe even go in and wear this dress to church because it can be very universal as well. Okay, y'all, now let's talk about this look right here. Baby, I gotta tell y'all about this. I need a slip. Baby, I got to find me a slip. Okay, y'all, so the skirt is from Amazon and the skirt comes in an array of different colors, all right? I love the skirt. I love the color. The only thing is the built-in slip that comes with this, I wish it was a tad bit longer, which is why I say I need a slip, okay? But I love the color. I love the skirt because if I had a black slip to put on up under this, then you would not see like the lining of my shirt, the white shirt that I have on. Now, the other option that I will say that I can go in and do is actually tuck the shirt inside of my shapewear. But can I be honest with y'all? Y'all ain't gonna talk about me, huh? Listen, baby, I had already put them clothes on, and I was like, baby, listen, I'm just gonna have to tell them. I wasn't finna take that shapewear off, and I just wasn't finna do it. So this is how we getting it, okay? I just want to give that little disclaimer. But this look is perfect to wear in the office as well. I feel like the length of the skirt is very much so appropriate Um, and also you pairing it with a white top just kind of brings all everything all in together as far as like more of a professional look. Now y'all, this skirt does not have loops for a belt, but I was like, when I was trying it on, I was like, I need something that's going to pull this whole look together. So I went and grabbed my leopard printed belt, and I was like, oh, this is gonna be a look right here, okay? Now, y'all, I don't have leopard heels to my knowledge. I got a bunch of shoes, but I don't have leopard heels. Y'all, so I went in, I was like, let me go get my leopard mules and put them on with this look to go in and tie with the leopard belt. And as I was putting it on, I was like, oh, this is a whole look right here. I was like, this is cute. I started liking the look because I was a little nervous on how it was all going to come together, okay? And then also, I went in, I said, well, I'm going to go in and put in my leopard glasses. And y'all know they are prescribed glasses, which I felt like accessorized this look to the T. Y'all have to let me know how y'all feel about it in the comments. So a basic white shirt with a colored bottom, this colored pleated skirt, perfect length for work. The shoe game is comfortable because it's not a heel. And then with the going in with the leopard accessories, I think this look came out perfect, y'all. Y'all let me know. What do you think? The skirt is from Amazon. Oh, my shoes. I didn't tell y'all the shoes are from Torrid, y'all. With the shoes, these are a mule that's from Torrid. Now, this particular leopard mule is not available, but Torrid does have a black and also a cream mule with the same type of buckle that is available on their website. So I wanted to let y'all know that up front. Now, a little style swap that you can go in and do. If you have a leopard sneaker, go with me. If you got a leopard sneaker, pretty much, I think Adidas, I'm gonna pop it up on the screen. I'm gonna find it. Adidas Sambas got a leopard sneaker that could rock with this look as well. Yeah, Adidas or either Nike has one, or even New Balance may have like a leopard sneaker that you can play with this look going off into the office. So y'all have to let me know how y'all feel about that. I think that'll play cute too, going with this look. But I feel like, again, this look is a 10 out of 10. Going into work, you're making a statement, you're comfortable, and also you're cute. Honey, if you decide to get this color, just know you got to get you a slip. I know some of y'all is old school out there. Y'all know what a slip is. And to all of my cousins who don't know what a slip is and you're a little bit younger, honey, I'm going to pop a picture up on the screen, honey. A slip is just going to help cover everything. It's just going to help cover everything. It's going to smooth everything out. And they slips come in all type of colors, black, white, and cream, all of the things, y'all. But yeah, I definitely think me putting on a slip would definitely have helped this look out as well. Next look is a set. Honey, who does not love a good two-piece set? Yes, y'all, a good two-piece set is perfect for the office in the summertime. Now, y'all, this is a very cool set. It is a linen material, which I love, honey, because if y'all like me, y'all be hot flashing, I be hot flashing too. I be hot flashing. So we need cool materials that we can wear in the summertime, okay? Now this set, y'all, I do feel like it is tall girl friendly because of the length of the pants. So y'all know my height is 5'5". Now I do have on about a 4.5 inch heel with this set. So the shoes I have on with the set, they came from Macy's. And it's actually a sandal, more of a sandal that I do have on with this set. But I think this set is perfect. The arms, enough room in the arms, stretch in the waist, which I love. So you don't have to worry about zipping it up. It's just elastic in the waist. And also the pants have pockets. Y'all know we love us some pockets as well. I absolutely love the detailing which of the strap that's going down the side, and I chose this particular set to insert in the video for all of my cousins who really can't wear the bold colors like I'm showing you, because this is really more of a neutral and kind of toned down that you can wear and walk off into the office with, but still be cute in your attire. I think this is perfect. Y'all have to let me know. As you can see, it buttons down and it's just a loose fitting, cute little fit. Now, of course, you can definitely go in and take the top off. And let's just say if you want to do a navy button down, I think would be super cute to go with this, to highlight the stripe going down the side of the pants. Or even if you wanted to go in and just do another plain color button down, maybe a creamish or button down with this one, or even a white, just to kind of go in and play with the pants by itself. And that's the other part that I love about sets, because you can take the top and put the top with something else, in the pants, and put the pants with something else as well. And then the last way, a little style swap that I will go in and style this, is actually to wear the shirt itself open and then drop a navy tank up under this. And so that way you got a whole nother look right there, which is super, super cute. So you guys have to let me know, are those some ways that you would go in and style swap your outfits and wear them as far as going into the office? And again, I think it's a 10 out of 10, but y'all definitely have to let me know. Now we're gonna get off into this other look. Honey, who don't like to wear a good suit to work? For those of my cousins who have to be in a formal environment when it comes to work, and you have to wear a suit, I could not let this pass by. But this orange suit is a chef's kiss, yes. And as y'all can see, because I did a reel in this, y'all, as y'all can see, I just went in and paired this orange suit with a cute graphic t-shirt. So this is a way that you can actually go in and kind of dress it down a little bit, instead of it being more of a formal thing that you have to wear to work. And as y'all can see, I paired it with black and white Nike Dunks to go in. So this is definitely something that I feel like you can wear like Monday through Thursday, because I know typically on Fridays you can go in and actually dress down. But you can definitely wear this suit and still be put together, still be professional, still walk in the boardrooms, still go into your meetings, honey, but you are making a statement with this color, okay? Now, cousins, when it comes to suits, I am actually going to link some other suits that I've seen online. Like this one I fell in love with, y'all, from ASOS. Baby, the colors and everything is just beautiful in this look, y'all. I saw several of them at ASOS. I also saw several suits at LTK as I was shopping online, that I am going to link down below for you all, because I know that everybody can't wear the bold colors, but whoo, honey, those of you who can, baby, I'm sure y'all are going to have a field day. And then I'm also going to go in and link suits that are going to be from Ashley Stewart's as well. So I just wanted you guys to know when it comes to the different suits, I'm going to link a couple of different ones, so that way you can, you know, kind of play with your wardrobe and mix and match things up, y'all. Okay, cousins, so you guys have to let me know, how did you like this workwear video? And should I do a part 2 of workwear, and was this helpful for you all, especially those of you who are going into the office? Another thing that I want you to do is give me any suggestions of any videos that you want to see, any styling videos or hauls from any other plus size companies that you guys would love to see. And guess what, honey? I will put it together for y'all and bring it to you. Now, cousins, I want to let y'all know, if you have not joined the Cousin Crew, what are you waiting on? What is the Cousin Crew? The Cousin Crew is our text and email list for me to be able to communicate with you outside of social media. And word on the street is somebody is planning a cousin meetup. Yes, honey, where we can have us some light snacks and little bites. So guess what? You don't have to be right here in Dallas, Texas to be a part of the Cousin Crew. You can be in Tennessee. You can be in Chicago. You can be in New York, honey. You can be in England or London, wherever you want to be, honey. And guess what? I am going to email and text you every week just to keep you updated, to check on you, and also give you an inspiration word as well. And then, honey, when it's time for the cousin meetup, guess what? You will have first dibs to everything, cousins. So you can actually click the link in the description box below to go in and join the Cousin Crew. Now, cousin, listen, honey, it's time for us to get up out of here, okay? So if y'all have enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe it. And subscribe it. Like, share, and subscribe. And, honey, as I tell you all always, make sure that you walk in every room boldly and confidently, honey. And make sure that you own it. All right? I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.